When it comes to securing your Orangeburg home, windows play a critical role in keeping intruders out. While many homeowners focus on doors and locks, windows are often overlooked as a potential entry point for burglars. If you're looking to improve your home's security, upgrading to awning windows can be a smart move. These unique windows offer several benefits that can enhance both the safety and aesthetic appeal of your home. In this article, we'll explore how awning windows can help boost your home's security, providing added protection against break-ins while also improving ventilation and natural light. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your existing windows, awning windows could be the ideal choice to keep your family safe and your home secure. Top hinged design for added security. The design of awning windows is one of the key features that enhances security. Unlike traditional windows that open horizontally, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward. This top hinged design makes it more difficult for intruders to break in. Harder to force open. With traditional side hinged windows, burglars can easily pry the window open from the side, especially if the locking mechanism is weak. However, because awning windows open outward from the top, they create a stronger barrier that's harder to pry open. The frame and hardware are positioned in such a way that they provide added resistance to forced entry. Increased privacy. Since awning windows open outward, they're more likely to remain closed and secure even in slightly open positions, unlike sliding or double-hung windows. This means that you can maintain privacy without worrying about leaving windows ajar for ventilation. Burglars are less likely to attempt breaking in through a partially opened awning window, as it's harder for them to access. Improved ventilation without compromising security. Awning windows are also a great option for improving your home's ventilation without compromising security. Unlike some other window types that require fully opening the window for airflow, awning windows allow you to enjoy fresh air even when the window is slightly open. Safe ventilation. Since awning windows open outward, you can leave them cracked open for ventilation while still maintaining a high level of security. This is particularly valuable during the warmer months when you want to let fresh air into your home without inviting potential intruders in. The design ensures that even a slightly open window is difficult to access, reducing the likelihood of unauthorized entry. Rain protection. Another advantage of awning windows is that they can be left open during light rain. The way they open outward provides a natural barrier that prevents rain from entering the window, which is especially beneficial if you want to let in fresh air during a storm. This feature allows you to enjoy better air circulation without sacrificing security. Durability and weather resistance. Awning windows are known for their durability and ability to withstand the elements, making them a great option for areas with frequent storms or extreme weather conditions, such as those experienced in Orangeburg. Sturdy materials. Many awning windows are made from high-quality, durable materials like fiberglass, vinyl, or aluminum. These materials not only resist wear and tear but also provide a stronger barrier against forced entry compared to standard wood or thin metal frames. The sturdier the material, the more difficult it is for an intruder to break through the window. Weather resistance. Since awning windows are designed to open outward at the top, they naturally offer a better seal when closed. This is particularly important for protecting your home from external elements. The stronger seals also contribute to preventing the window from being easily pried open. Low maintenance and long-term security. Awning windows require relatively low maintenance compared to other window types, which is another reason they're ideal for securing your home. Because of their durable design and weather-resistant features, they're less prone to issues like rotting, warping, or breaking, common concerns for other window styles. Long-term durability. The materials used in awning windows are designed to stand the test of time, which means fewer repairs or replacements. Fewer maintenance needs contribute to better long-term security because your windows will continue to perform well over many years, offering consistent protection. Efficient locking mechanism. Many awning windows come with a secure, multi-point locking system. These locks ensure that your window remains firmly closed, preventing any unauthorized access. When properly maintained, these locking systems provide an added layer of security and give you peace of mind knowing your windows are secure. Aesthetic appeal and added value. While the primary purpose of awning windows is security, they also provide aesthetic benefits that can enhance the overall look of your home. Their clean, modern design can complement any architectural style, from traditional to contemporary, adding curb appeal to your property. Design flexibility. Whether you're updating the windows in a kitchen, living room, or bathroom, awning windows offer versatility in design. They can be paired with other window styles or installed individually to create a unique look. Their modern appearance can instantly enhance the exterior of your home, adding to both its beauty and security. Increased home value. Homes with high quality, secure windows are more attractive to buyers. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, upgrading to awning windows can increase your home's value by enhancing both its security and aesthetic appeal. Affordable security solution. Compared to other high-security window options, awning windows provide an affordable way to improve your home's security. They offer a high level of protection without breaking the bank. Their durable design, weather resistance, and efficient locking systems make them a great option for homeowners looking for security on a budget. Conclusion. Upgrading your Orangeburg home with awning windows is a smart choice for enhancing both the security and comfort of your living space. Their top-hinged design makes them difficult to break into, while their ability to provide natural ventilation and privacy without sacrificing safety is unmatched. With their durability, energy efficiency, and modern aesthetic, awning windows offer a long-lasting solution to keep your home safe and secure. If you're looking for a practical and attractive way to improve your home's security, consider installing awning windows for enhanced protection and peace of mind.